Me, oh bro, in this video, I want to show you something, teach you how to save yourself from problems, financial problems, and all. Someone told me that a girl left him because they have money. I told him, told him he left you because you don't have money, and he left you because you were when your colleagues were working hard, creating channels, grinding on YouTube. You were there chasing girls. So now they have left you. Just like this man that has Watch Mojo, this person that created Watch Mojo, you think the girl will leave him or the partner will leave him? He won't leave him because he sees that he's making a lot of cash online. 27,000 videos, bro. 27,000 videos. Are you crazy?
Well,
27,000 videos. It's crazy, bro. Look at the views. The total views is 17 billion views. The total views is 17 billion views. It's it's a lot. Do you know what's 17 billion views? If you convert it, let's say the RPM is 3, bro, it's multiple millions of dollars, bro. They're swimming inside multiple million of dollars. Now you ask me, bro, how can I be like this guy? How can I be like him? It's simple. Hire people, hire content, video editor, script writer. Listen to me carefully. Video editor, script writer, thumbnail designer. Because your own job is to have the ideas. So you can go to Upwork. This is the app here. Upwork is the best for me, in my opinion. Upwork, you hire people there, hire Indians, Pakistan, because they're so cheap. No offense though, no offense. You hire them, continue with Google and all. Once you hire them, you pay them $10, $20 per hour, whatever the price is. They'll do this kind of videos for you. So this month, this man has made. Let's check. Let's check. I'm curious. I'm curious. I'm interested. I'm interested in how much he has made. Let's go to Social Blade. Watch Mojo. Watch Mojo. Copy the username. So if you watch my videos every day and you take action, you can't be hungry. You can't have problems. You can't have bad breaks. See how much he has made. 100K this month. He can afford to buy a Porsche every single month. A brand new Porsche, a brand new Range Rover every single month. I never complain. I never have financial issues. So, bro, there's plenty of cash to be made. If you want to learn more, if this video don't like it, you want to learn more, go to the link in my description. Take action. From now to December, you'll be so grateful that you know me and took action in the first link in my description. First link and second link, the two took double action. Bro, you be so rich. You have the knowledge. You imagine, listen to me. You imagine today, 15th of June 2024. You take action. Click the link in the description. The first video. Take action. You do whatever they tell you to do. Then the second link. You take action. You do whatever they tell you to do. From now till December, 15th of December. From 15th of June to 15th of December. You take action, bro. The universe will give you what you want. Literally, the universe. Just go to link in my description now as I'm talking. Then yeah, I don't supposed to, but there'll be a time I'll remove the link because I don't want to give information out there like that because to be too saturated. So, bro, as for me, I'm out.